everyone. I'm back, and I know, one like the plaza. Yeah, we know that, and something we've had before, but I have a different color of an hat now, cause you be thinking, oh, a red hat before, but today I did wear that. I will wear because my baby didn't play tonight, so and it's hockey, so and that's why I have to that. But the Catella Valley Firebirds, so and the one tonight at 5-0. So if they won tonight, they will make it in the next round. The one, they're making it to the next round. The Firebirds are new of the hockey. They are AHL. This is the first season for them. They are new. So, yeah, they're doing pretty good. They're doing pretty good as this year. Because I bet them, they were doing pretty good. Now, they lost the first one, they lost the second one, they lost the other one, then they won Wednesday, now they won today. But before, I was in my room checking out the score of the Firebirds. I ate tacos because tacos is secret to my food. So and my dad had a Mexican Coca-Cola for dinner, so for Cinco de Mayo. So yeah, so happy Cinco de Mayo, and if one of you a Firebird, go Firebirds. So yeah, Firebirds. And, so if you guys are new watching the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So yeah. Oh, before I go, guys, I want to play you guys a song. Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, play All I Do Is Win.
Alright, All I Do Is by No Art from Spotify.
Alexa, play All I Do Is Win.
Alright, All I Do Is Win featuring T-Pain, Ludacris, Snoop Dogg and Rick Ross by DJ Khaled from Spotify.
For the Firebirds. All I do is win no matter what. Man, I'm good. I was just saying, baby, pretty. We got good up. And down, down, up, down. All I do is win no matter what. Mama took her up. I'm a baby. Come back to her. And it's up down, up down, up down. Got you to win. I'm going in. Up down.
Swerving in my low. Head on the swivel, you know serving me's a no. Clean as a whistle as I pull out in my Rolls Royce. Telephone passenger, they see it, they say, oh boy. Tell Kelly, back it up, my niggas call me loco. Down for on traffic, you know, make me pull out mofo. Ask you what you laughing at, represent that Bud Light. Dirty money, bitch, you better get your mud right. We come together, holding hands and holler Bud Light. We all strapping all black, it's like Bud Light. You riding or what? Cause we riding tonight. Ask you riding with me cause you wasn't riding no right.
I just win no matter what. Mama took her up. Snapped him and baby. I better got you up. Into ya, up down. Do it,
Heat in the kitchen, hot on the stove, water getting boiled, dope being sold, Snoopy in the OT, system overload. I've been running this rap game since I was 20 years old. I hung with the worst of them, bust till I burst them up, floss them up, toss them up, hard away, cross them up. Pardon me, I'm bossing up, pressure up, pressure, bro, don't mess with us. We like the youth in the 80s, back to back, set a track, hit the lick, get it back, hit the trick, jump the track, bitch, I want my money back. Time and time again, while I'm sipping on this gin, Al Davis said it best, just win, baby, win.
I just win no matter what. Mama took her up. And I just said, baby, I could go up. I said, down. So you win. Oh, and I said, so, bye guys. See you again next time.